Good afternoon from the Graham Family Farm. This is the first load of gravel this year. Put this big rock down because it will sink into this mud. Once we get the whole area done, all the way around the back of the shop, then I'll put 5/8 minus after this all sinks in. Be a little easier to work on. Yeah, this old 1-ton, it held up pretty good, didn't even squat. Quite a bit of gravel. Well, it's a good little start here. It didn't take too long to get it unloaded. Boys work together. Hopefully we'll get another load on Saturday. We're down in Union Gap area. Anyway, this is the beginning of the shop driveway area that needs to be graveled to keep from sinking in the mud. So, thank you for watching.